In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to HubSpot and configure it for automatic contact and recording sync. To get started, sign in to your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, head over to the App Marketplace. This is where HubSpot lets you browse and install integrations that extend what your account can do. If you're not familiar with it, think of the App Marketplace as the central place for connecting HubSpot with the other tools you already use in your business. When you're inside the marketplace, use the search bar to look for Zoom. Once the Zoom integration appears in the results, click on it and then select Install App. This begins the setup process that links both platforms together. Make sure you're choosing the official Zoom integration so everything works properly and stays secure. Next, HubSpot will prompt you to authorize access to your Zoom account. At this stage, you'll be asked to approve the connection so HubSpot can communicate with Zoom and use the necessary account information to sync data between the two systems. Read through the permission request carefully, then continue with the authorization. This step is important because without it, the integration won't be able to pull in meeting activity or send information where it needs to go. After the app is connected, go back into HubSpot and open Settings. From there, navigate to Integrations, then Connected Apps, and select Zoom. This is the section where you'll manage how the integration behaves after installation. If you ever need to review or update the connection later, this is the place to return to. Inside the Zoom Connected App settings, map your meeting settings so contacts and recordings can sync automatically. This is the part that makes the integration truly useful. By configuring the sync properly, HubSpot can associate Zoom meeting activity with the right contacts and keep recordings organized without requiring manual work each time. Take a moment to review the available options carefully so the sync matches the way your team uses meetings. Once that's done, your Zoom and HubSpot integration should be ready to use. Going forward, this setup can help you save time, improve contact tracking, and keep meeting information centralized inside HubSpot. If you're using both tools regularly, setting up this connection is a simple but valuable way to streamline your workflow.